Hello guys, welcome to my channel Sumit Roy Travelogs. This is Sumit Roy, your host. Today is 8th January 2022 and we are going to the IKEA for a center table shopping. We don't have a center table. See, right now our sofa setup is there, everything is there, but we lack a center table. We had it earlier, but right now we don't have it a center table. We want a center table. Say hi.
Hi.
We want to have a center table here, so we are going for center table shopping to IKEA today, and most probably we'll return with that table only in components, and they'll I think integrate it later. Some person will come later to install it. So we are going now, and it's around about 6:45, 7 in the evening. हम लोग जा रहे हैं अभी, और हम लोग जाते हैं अभी IKEA में मैं कनेक्ट करूँगा, मैं आपको रास्ते में कनेक्ट करूँगा. Okay, then see you when we start with IKEA. So guys, we are at the IKEA now. We have just parked our car. We're going upwards, and we'll hunt for a center table only, glass center table, and nothing else. And if we allow our food here, because Swedish meatballs are very famous here, can be found nowhere else except IKEA. So we'll see that if we have time, we'll eat Swedish meatballs in the food court. And right now, me, my wife, and son are there. We're going. Okay, let us head for center table, then we'll connect. So guys, here are all the center tables. Basically, a lot of center tables we have seen, and among these only we'll choose something. ये बहुत सारे center tables हैं आसपास. I think this is center table section. This one is also we are liking. A lot of center tables. ये सब square and rectangle shape में है. Then there are some round shape also. A lot of tables to choose from, and nominal price only, not very high end, low and mid end. Nice collection. So we'll choose from this only, and once we know the description, we'll take the description from here. We'll note down the description, and then we'll नीचे जाके हम वही description दिखा के वो ले सकते हैं, अपना बुक कर सकते हैं. ये है सारे सेंटर टेबल्स. नीचे है थोड़ा ना. So guys, we have finally chosen this one, this model. This is 4,500 for 4,490 for set of two tables. There are two tables, दो टेबल एक्चुअली. एक ये सिंगल टेबल है अलग से. दिस सिंगल टेबल इज डिफरेंट. ये अलग टेबल है और वो नीचे वाला अलग टेबल है. So set of two tables in 4,500. So we noted the description. My wife has taken a photo and we'll go down, and हम लोग वही टेबल वहाँ से ले लेंगे सीधे. We'll connect. See, my son is enjoying in a trolley. My wife is taking him in a trolley and he's enjoying his day. Popu, say hi. This is good. Hello, this is good. He's enjoying his in the trolley. We have taken the photo and description, and we'll go down and we'll do some hopping here also. और कुछ लेना तो है नहीं हमें लेना तो सेंटर टेबल था, हमने देख लिया है. बाकी जो एक्सेसरीज देख लेते हैं हम लोग यहाँ जाने से, नीचे जाने से पहले, बिकॉज स्टिल इट इज़ नॉट मच टाइम. वी जस्ट कम 15-20 मिनट्स. मैं साइन इज इन दिस. हम लोग जाते हैं अभी देखते हुए. सो गाइस, वी हैव गॉट दिस टेबल नाउ. बेसिकली सेट ऑफ टू टेबल्स. वी नीड टू इंस्टॉल इट आवरसेल्व्स. ये इसको ले जा रहे हैं हम लोग. ये दिस इज 4490 फॉर सेट ऑफ टू टेबल्स. एंड इंस्टॉलेशन सर्विसेज गए थे हम लोग, तो ही वाज सेइंग 3,500 फॉर इंस्टॉलेशन सर्विसेज, एंड दिस इज़ अ वेरी not very high-end item, so you can install it yourself. Because while you pay for 3,500 for an item that is costing 4,500 for installation only. So get it built. Now we go to billing काउंटर. हम लोग बिलिंग काउंटर पे जा रहे हैं. वहाँ एक बड़ा शॉप है स्नैक्स का, तो बिलिंग कराते कराते साथ में कुछ हल्का फुल्का खा लेंगे स्नैक्स एंड देन विल हेड होम. तो ठीक है, बिलिंग कराते हैं, उसके बाद मिलते हैं. हेलो गाइस, सो वी हैव डन आवर शॉपिंग. We have bought a set of 2 tables and the sun is here already, and we are at the confectionery basically. This is the food court kind of, small food court kind of near the billing counter. Small confectionery only where pastries and patties and all small kind of stuff, snacks are there. So I have taken one pie for my wife and some small 8 samosas pack for ₹100 and 1 coffee. So we're enjoying it now, and once we exit, we'll connect again. Let us have some snacks, and then this is samosa, small samosas, 8 packs for ₹100. 8 samosas, small samosas, and there's one coffee. My wife is having. Samosas. Okay. So guys, दोस्तों, हम लोग अभी IKEA से निकल रहे हैं. Basically, we are exiting IKEA. We're in the parking. We'll go to our car, and you can go through here also. 1 minute, let me try. But car is parked. So we are in the parking. My car is parked right there. From here we can go also. 1 minute. Okay. So that is our car part, Baleno. And we have reached our car, and we'll exit now. This is my Baleno. I'll just open the back, unlock it. उसके बाद मैं डालता हूँ इसको. Here's our set of 2 center tables. We are making it sure that it is fine. I'm not sure how it will fit in, but I think it will fit in somehow. Okay. So this is my lovely Baleno. We are exiting now. See you for today. And we'll park something here. This one here. Okay. See you for today. And while going out, we'll make just a music video. And then bye. See you for today. Okay. Bye.